Good morning. I wanted to do a quick video on our latest 2018 Lamborghini Aventador LP750 built by Raging Bull Replicas. Just a quick walk around video, show you exactly what we've built. Now if you look at our next video, it goes into more detail, but this is just a quick walk around video to show you what we've done. Now this is a full-size replica, not one of the mini Fiero or MR2. Okay, 80 inches wide at the rear, 188 inches long, built on a GM chassis. Corvette components, LS1 motor with a stage 2 cam, 104 millimeter throttle body, long tube headers, custom tuned, putting out over 500 horses. Now realize this thing is a screamer. Now we backed that with the 4L60E automatic transmission with an E-shifter. Also we used 12-inch slotted and drilled rotors, ceramic pads, Brembo caliper covers, custom exhaust, custom fuel door, Bull Replica engine package. Now this is a hand-laid fiberglass body with steel throughout. We used 20-inch wheels, like 13 inches wide in the back. Has a custom wing with even LP750 in the legs of the wing. It's got the right license plate. LP750 front and rear bumpers. Black running boards. Laser cut grills in all of the openings. Fully adjustable mirrors. Full set of replica headlights and taillights, all working. Now we've carried the colors, exterior colors, inside. So they're a black cherry upholstery, embroidered Lamborghini and Aventador on the door panels, the dash, and even on the seats. Very comfortable, very easy to drive. Has AM, FM, CD, DVD player, rear view camera, E-shifter like I said, working analog and digital gauges, and everything works. Now with the paint, this is a tri-stage pearl shimmering black cherry. Now this thing is just beautiful. It shines like a diamond. Wet sanded down to 3000 grit paper and buffed to a high gloss shine. This thing is just amazing out in the sun. Now I'm not sure what color it comes through in the camera, but in real life it's a real dark red. In the sun, all of the metallics and the shimmering pop out in it, and this thing just glows. All the black is a high matte finish black. The LP750 emblem package. There's the rear Lamborghini and with this LP750 package. Now realize this is the American version because it has the square license plate. If it is European version, it'd have the long skinny license plate. So this is for North America, obviously. Just wanted to do a quick video so you could hear this thing running. This thing is a monster. Rev it up! Again! This thing just is awesome. Again, this is not your little Fiero or MR2 100 horsepower car, okay? This is 500 horses. This thing does 160 miles an hour on the freeway, no problem, all day long. Okay, realistically, you could drive this car all the way across the country, turn around, drive it all the way back with no problems whatsoever. Just a quick walk around. Well, thanks for watching the video. Give us a call if you're interested in purchasing this car.